Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a VW Jetta brake light. Start by gathering your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb for your Jetta. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set for safety. Then, open your trunk to get ready to access the taillight assembly from the inside. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to locate the access panel or trim that covers the taillight assembly from inside the trunk. Gently remove any fasteners, which are often plastic clips or screws, holding this trim in place. Once the trim is out of the way, you'll see the back of the taillight. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it free. Now, with the electrical connector detached, twist the bulb holder about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the taillight assembly. Carefully pull the old, faulty brake light bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new brake light bulb and firmly insert it into the holder, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish, reinsert the bulb holder into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Before putting all the trim back, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working. Once confirmed, reattach the trim and close the trunk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.